is our show. You've never met me before. Yes, Beatrice? Beatrice, are you angry? Why are you angry, Beatrice?
Can't you see they locked me up in this Confederate prison?
Oh my, that's terrible! Well, you might as well want to meet me, don't you? Everybody, ladies and gentlemen, I'm Alfonso. Beatrice is in the big cage. They locked her up. Tell them why.
Might as well just leave me here to die. All I wanted was that lollipop, and they just wouldn't give it to me. That man was a criminal, but they put me in jail instead. Stop hitting me! Why do they do these things? Get that off my head! Warner? My name's not Warner, I'm Stinking Alfonso! What?
I'm Alfonso.
Why isn't Warner coming to visit me here?
It wouldn't be appropriate to show the children.
Why?
Take some tea.
Stop it! I mean it this time! I'm not a happy person! They locked me up in this place and I don't belong here! Ah! Just stop looking at me that way! I said stop it! I don't deserve to be treated like this! People in this world will never understand me! Not even Warner understood me! I just don't understand it! Are you like the others? Are you like the others?
What others?
Are you one of them? I've heard stories about you!
I'll never
I've
tell!
heard stories about you! Scary, haunting, nightmare stories! And they don't give me good dreams!
Take some tea. I don't have any filth.
When's the last time you showered?
Tuesday.
Today is Tuesday.
Today's Wednesday!
Why? How the circles orbit around the sun. I think it's so interesting. If only they would hear me singing, maybe they would let me out of prison. Stop it! With your evil ways! So the little piggy said I'm gonna have to come